A first promotional image of Sony's next mid-range Xperia phone has popped up just days before it's expected to be unveiled. After Sony announced a launch event for Tuesday, a design leak spotted by Android headlines gives us an early look at what seems to be the Xperia X8. The image shows the back of the phone in a promotional setting. Sony last refreshed the camera module on the Xperia X series with the 7th generation model last September, and not much appears to have changed this time around. From the rear, the Xperia X8 looks very similar to its predecessor. The horizontal camera island with dual sensors and the Sony logo is still there. The main difference is a small color tweak. Last year's pure white has been swapped for a slightly greenish shimmering white. Apart from the design, details are still pretty thin. A recent Geekbench listing points to the same Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor and 8 GB of RAM that powered the Xperia X7. So far there haven't been any solid leaks about the cameras, display, battery, or other specs. Early signs suggest this might be a fairly conservative update focused more on refining things than making big hardware jumps. For reference, the Xperia X7 came with a 50MP main camera, 1/1.56, a 13MP ultrawide, 1/3.0, and a modest 8MP selfie camera. Battery capacity was also on the modest side at 5,000 mAh. On the plus side, the phone stayed nice and compact. Its 6.1-inch 19.5:9 FHD Plus display is smaller than the standard Galaxy S26's 6.3 screen, and it weighed just 168 g. Sony's event on Tuesday should give us the full picture, complete specs, pricing, and availability. Until then, the leaked image and the Geekbench listing are the clearest look we've got at the next Xperia X phone. The familiar design and mid-range chipset suggests Sony is sticking with continuity for this year's mid-tier offering.